Okay, this is a video that I didn't plan on doing. As you can tell, I don't have my apron on. I'm not ready to film. I just thought I'd roll the camera because this is important. Now, as you guys know, I have this cookware. It's like from Heritage Steel. You've seen this, right? See how clean it is? Okay. A lot of you don't know how to keep it that clean. So I'm doing this video strictly to teach you how to clean when it looks like that. That is so gross. Look at that. That's what it looks like after burgers. Is that gross or what? Okay, first thing you want to do is, once you've wiped out everything you wipe out, which is not a lot, but fill this with soapy water, bring it to a boil, and let it boil for about 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, a lot of you remember Barkeeper's Friend. I've shown it on the show before. I've talked about it before. Well, I just bought this new bottle. Let me see if it's open. Take your Barkeeper's Friend, put some in the pan, and the best thing you can do, just don't even have to scrub it. Just go cover the areas that need it with, if you have the powder one, you just add water, make it pasty. If you don't have the powdered one, then do it like this. Use the liquid version. Okay? And make sure all the areas you want to clean are covered. Don't scrub. Now that it's coated with Barkeeper's Friend, wet about 15 minutes. Okay? And then meet me back here. If it's really bad, wait 30 minutes. Let the Barkeeper's Friend do all the scrubbing for you. And there you go. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. Now, the one thing you got to remember, it's got to be started right away. As soon as you're done cooking, you've had dinner, get it on the stove with the soapy water and start cleaning it right away. If you don't clean your cookware right away, you don't want to let it sit there. It will stain. It will be hard to get out. So if you want it to look like this all the time, then just be obedient to cleaning. Okay? 2 easy steps. The soapy water on the stove, 5 to 10 minutes. Then Barkeeper's Friend for another 30 minutes. Just let it sit there and let it do its work. And you will have cookware that looks that good on all stainless steel and multi-clad cookware. All right?